Hey everyone, it's Darren from Dell. Thanks so much for taking the time to tune in. I am pumped. Today we're going to be unboxing the Dell Pro Plus Earbuds. Now this is the EB525, does come with a USB Type-C cable, can be paired via USB Type-C to a notebook or a desktop. Does come with 4 ear tips to make sure that it feels comfortable. It does work with Windows 10, Windows 11, Mac OS, iOS, or Android. And then the software ecosystem is all about the Dell Audio App for iOS and Android. And then from a Windows perspective, the Dell Display and Peripheral Manager. I am pumped. We've been asking for this for such a long time, and we finally have it. Let's jump into the unboxing. Oh man, I'm so excited here. Can't wait. Moment of truth. Oh boy. Sweet. I will look at that in a sec. Ear tips, extra small, small, large. This is going to be your USB Type-C cable. Oh, I love that it's braided. That's awesome. Setup, safety, regulatory information all over here. And oh boy, now the moment of truth. This is our new earbuds. Look at that. We have done such an awesome job. Here's the dongle. Fits nicely in there. Super slick earbuds. So I'm assuming these are the medium ones, as the extra small, small, and large are over right here. This would be the right charging contacts in there. It says Dell. Pretty sweet. Can't wait to test these out. This would be the left. Again, just goes right there. Now, before I test it out and get it paired up with a notebook, my phone, I do want to say that I am a longtime user of these. You will see, from a case perspective, this is a little bit bigger. I do love that, this is USB Type-C, and, I will check it out, see how things go with time. But super pumped that we finally have our Dell Pro Plus earbuds. So you do have some indicator lights as shown in the user guide. You'd be able to use your Teams, press and hold for ANC, move through your tracks, and then also touch controls for your volume up, volume down. Moment of truth. I have my earbuds over here. I'm gonna take out the dongle and get it plugged in. Oh wow. So it's already picked up my earphones, so we'll go ahead and initialize the application. So you're able to see some of the ANC settings. Do I want transparency? Turn it off. So now I can hear some of the ambient sounds that are going on. In-ear detection, pausing your music, muting your microphone when you remove your earbuds. Earbud controls, so, moving up and down. Oh, gonna change the volume by sliding up. Do I want to launch Teams using my left earbud That's pretty sweet, playing with the gestures. Now, the Dell Audio App, I'll take a look at a little later on, but just getting this up and running. Very cool. So I love that we can use the Dell Display and Peripheral Manager. So I've got version 2.1.2.12, which is the latest as of the date this is being recorded. ANC settings, my transparency. Do I want to let in more kind of audio that's local, or do I want to limit that? Mic noise cancellation, side tone if I wanted to hear myself, you can do that. Different EQs, so I can adjust the actual bass, mid-range, treble. Do I want to keep it on default? Do I want to keep it on bass boost, speech boost, treble boost? Let's go to the automated actions, in-ear detection, pause music, mute mic, answer calls, and then earbud controls. I can actually click on these and I'll pull up, hey, is this incoming call, single press, double press, active call? How do I interact with it? Single press, play, next track, previous track, and then let's go to device settings. Do I want kind of the voice guidance turned on? If it sits inactive, it can turn off automatically, and then I can view a QR code to pull out my phone and download the app, which we will take a look at as well. We'll do some testing, obviously, from an audio perspective. I'm actually recording this content using the earbuds, so they'll give you an idea as to how it sounds. So over here is just a quick test of a Teams meeting. I'm in one right now. As you can see, the mic is lit up, and I'm actually coming to you on the earbuds that are plugged in. So this would be a pretty good test as to how you would sound in a meeting. We'll go ahead and do some more testing over the next couple of days with more meetings, more background noise, and continue to report back. Another test over here is we're on Zoom, so to give you a pretty good idea as to how you'd sound if you're using one of these. Again, Zoom, my mic is lit up, so you're able to see kind of that test. So this is going to give you a good idea as to how one would sound while on audio video conferencing. So I'm on a meeting right now. I'm playing dogs barking very aggressively, and I'll put it right next to this and let's see kind of what audio carries forward. But it's extremely loud. As you can probably tell, hopefully it didn't come through. But we are doing another test. I've got lawnmower sound effects playing right next to it. Hopefully, as you can tell, the audio from that lawnmower, when your neighbor's cutting their lawn and you're on a audio video conferencing call, hopefully the noise cancellation is filtering out my noise versus that. So another test around active environments that you could be in. So we're going to go ahead and add it. Let's see if I can find them. So I've got them in the case that's opened up. Press and hold the back button for 3 seconds to trigger pairing. 1, 2. And voila. Connected. Ready to go. Different settings. Same settings that I showed you on the computer. You do have pretty much right here your fingertips. Now, from a battery perspective, you will see the battery capacity roughly of the earbuds, 66 milliamp hours, and then for the case being 500 milliamp hours. There is a fast charging time of 5 minutes, and that will give you roughly about 1 hour of use. And then the maximum battery recharge time, you think about 2 hours or so. Talk time wise, just on the earbuds, you're looking at roughly 5 hours. And then with ANC on using the charging case, you will get up to 16.5 hours. So very good talk time for a full day's use, no problem. Even multi-day use, depending on your usage behavior. And then from a listening time perspective, you can listen up to 8 hours on just the earbuds, and then up to 33 hours with the charging case. So really, really awesome to see. One of the cool things that I may not have highlighted enough, but the designers have the dongle that goes directly into the case, and it tucks away very nicely. Um, from a durability standpoint, it is going to be waterproof and dustproof, so IP54 rated. I cannot wait to continue testing this over the next couple of days, weeks. I'll probably come back with a follow-up video, but I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you so much for tuning in. Take care.